Imagine describing your idea and Gemini builds it in a full 3D ready for rendering. So, it's not Blender. It is Gemini's 3D model generator. And once you see how to control it, it'll change your creative workflow. So first thing you want to do is basically go to gemini.google.com. Then you want to click the labs or go to the create tab, and by exploring the gems, you can find a 3D model creator. Then from there, Gemini instantly outputs a rotating 3D preview with expert options if you give it a descriptive prompt like, for example, a futuristic robot armed with silver plating and blue lights accents cinematic lighting ready for game use. So although Gemini won't really prompt it on its normal model, you can ask it to generate a 2D image for you. And once it generates that 2D image, you can then turn that image into a 3D model. Now using this image right here, you can use this image to turn it into a 3D model or the version of that image. And it is a C and AI creation from prompt to model. It feels like creative magic in real time. But the real power is, it's not just in making a 3D model, it's in refining it. So it's not just generating these random generated models, you can also refine them and edit them to however you like them. So you've gone now from a prompt to a polished object in under a minute. So if you want to integrate it with Builder or Unreal Engine, simply just click the export or download the image and then choose an image to 3D model generator and then simply export that model into Blender or whatever platform you use for 3D modeling. If you like this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification for more tutorial videos.